everyone, it's Marion here, and today we are going to earn money, find many profitable cases, and increase our deposit from $11 to more than $3,000. Now we'll set up the indicators and start trading. I use the Keltner channel and the demarker. I'm going to explain on my trends and comment on my actions. Okay, so we are ready to start, and let's go. Let's find something interesting. For example, our first currency ratio, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. They are $11 in my investment, and in this situation I'm going to press the green button right now. What can we observe here? The line has reached the lower boundary and started to perform its reversal on the demarker. In addition, we can see that we have an upward price movement, an uptrend. That's why we open the trade with call option. That's great, dear friend. The deal closes in the plus. The strategy is working well, and let's keep looking. The balance is already $21, guys. That's a very good start. We don't stop there. We continue our trading. Let's put $21 in our investment box. Let's go further to the next currency pair, the United States dollar and the Brazilian real. I'm going to work with the greens here, and come on, what do we have in this very situation? According to the demarker indicator, the line is similar to the previous situation. It had reached the lower boundary and began to perform its reversal. It is also worth noting here that the price has reached a pretty good support level, which also tells us that it will go higher in the future. So great, guys, an amazing result! The deal works itself out and closes in a profit. There's already $40 on the balance. As a reminder, this amount of money we've dispersed from only $10. We don't stop here, we look beyond that. So let's go to our investment and put there $40. I want to switch the currency ratio, the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. Well, guys, I'm going with the put option right now. We can notice here that according to the demarker indicator, the line has reached the resistance level and started to perform its reversal. In addition, we can clearly see in this very story that our price has reached a good resistance level too, and this also signals to us it will go downwards in the future. Well, as you can see, the deal is working perfectly well. Closing plus, that's a great strategy. I would also like to mention that in our Telegram channel, we analyze these trading strategies on a daily basis. So guys, follow the link, subscribe, and you will aware of all the new strategies. Okay, let's keep looking. The balance is already $76. Great result for me. I'm pretty glad. We will not stop here and let's go further. I put $76 in my investment box. That's all that I have. Okay, I'm going to work with the United States dollar and the Brazilian real again, and I like this pair very much. I want to press the red button here, so guys, let's do it. And why are we going with the reds here? We can notice that the price has reached a good resistance level according to the demarker. We can also see that the price had even exceeded the upper level, and there is a 100% probability that the price will go down in the future. As we can see, the price has already gone down rapidly, and our trade is closing in the plus size. A very good result, guys. We don't stop there and look beyond that. This trading strategy is suitable for any platforms and even for beginners. A very simple and profitable strategy. That's why I always use it. Let's change our currency and let's work with the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. By the way, we have $146 in our investment, and that's pretty interesting. I'm going with put option here, and come on, what can we see in this very situation? We can notice that here, that according to the demarker indicator, the line has already reached the upper boundary and it started to perform its reversal. What I also want to note, the price has reached a pretty good resistance level from which it will push off and go down further. Oh, great income! Dear friends, are you close in the plus? That's amazing. That's a very good strategy. We don't stop there, we continue our training session. The balance is already almost $300. As a reminder, we maxed out this deposit with only $10. I'm going to change my investment and let's put here $277. Okay, well, we get back to our fifth currency pair. I'm going to press the green button here, and right now we can observe that according to the demarker indicator, the line has reached the lower boundary and started to perform its reversal here. I would also like to know that we have an uptrend, which also tells us that the price will continue to rise. We also have a good support level, and by combining all these confirming factors, the trade becomes more than a sure thing. Well guys, the deal is closing in a profit, and look there, $527 is already on the balance. That's a great result. I'm pretty happy about it. And let's keep looking. First of all, I go to my investment and let's put here $527. And that's all that I have, but I'm risky. I'm a risky person, very risky person, and I'm not afraid of losing my money. My favorite currency pair is here, and let's try to go with the greens. Come on! So, what can we find here? Our price has reached a pretty good support level. That's what it looks like. Two good levels from which price will push up and go higher. According to the demarker indicator, we can also see that the lines are starting to turn and go up. Wow, guys, look at that! Already $1,000 on the balance. That's a great result. I think, what do you think about it? That's a very good strategy, I think. I remind you that in our Telegram channel we analyze these trading strategies every day, so come there, subscribe, and you will be aware of all the new strategies. Yeah. Okay, let's go further and let's put $1,000 in our investment box. And I'm going to work with the fifth currency ratio again, and here I'm going to try with call option. And right now, well, according to the demarker, the line is starting to reverse and the price has reached a pretty good support level. I'm going to point that out to you now. This is what it looks like, and we're in an uptrend here. And as we can notice, the price has clearly gone upward and our deal closes in plus. That's a very good result. A great trade, guys. There's almost $2,000 on the balance. I think that's a pretty good considering we started trading only at $10. I think it's a great result. What about you guys? How do you feel? But we don't stop here, and we go further. There are $1,500 in my investment, and then let's move on to the United States dollar and the Brazilian real. I will check the whole graph, and let's try with pressing the green button, and come on! You can see that the price has already started to perform its reversal in this very story. And according to the demarker, the line is starting to rise and go up. I would also like to point out that we have a good support level in this price. This is what it looks like, and the price makes a reversal and goes up. Well done, my friends! That was a very profitable case. It's a very good result, a great trading strategy. The balance is already over $3,000. That's amazing, guys. And I also want to remind you that in our Telegram channel, we analyze these trading strategies on a daily basis. So come there and subscribe. I think that will do. Today we maxed out our deposit from $10 to $3,000. I think it's a very good result. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.